Welcome to the Veritas Education channel. My name is Liz, and I'm here to talk to you about the various kinds of writing you might encounter in school and beyond. Now, I meet a lot of people who say, I'm just not a good writer. Now, these people are wrong, or at the very least, they have some serious misconceptions. The truth is, most people get overwhelmed with the idea that writing is some innate talent that they have or don't have. This is false. Anyone can become a good writer, even people who prefer math. The trick is to understand the fundamentals. Fundamental number one, remember that the goal of writing is communication. Don't get caught up in style and long epic novels when you're just a beginner. Just ask yourself, what do I want to communicate to my audience? Fundamental two, organization is the king. Remember, your goal is communication. Be organized to communicate effectively. Be organized before you get fancy. Think about decorating your Christmas tree after you decide where to put it. Fundamental number three, most writing follows a pattern or a formula. If you can learn the formula, you can write. An easy example is, of course, the 5-paragraph essay. Your introduction has a thesis statement. Something like, I am arguing that dogs are better than cats because they are more loyal, they are more playful, and they help you stay healthy. You then have a paragraph for each of those 3 phrases, and then you restate your thesis in your concluding paragraph. Simple. This is also often true for creative writing as well. For example, Nicholas Sparks' books often follow a very similar formula. You have a girl who meets a boy, they fall in love, the girl and the boy are separated, the girl and the boy meet up again, tragedy separates them forever, you cry, and Nicholas Sparks gets a movie. Fundamental number 4, know your audience. Think of the person you want to communicate to when you write. Write with words that they understand. If you can master these 4 fundamentals, you can write anything. If you're still nervous, stay tuned for the rest of this video series. I'll be talking you through the fundamentals of each type of writing you might encounter, starting with persuasive writing.